Dashlink 2 has all of the same features as the original Dashlink, but Autometer has added some new updates. There are enhanced manufacturer-specific PIDs available for many vehicles, giving you additional sensor data from your vehicles. Other competitor OBD systems charge for this data per application, but Autometer includes it free with the Dashlink system. Dashlink also has new automatic data logging when certain conditions are met, GPS track mapping with line coloration by speed or user-selectable PIDs such as boost, throttle position, and much more. There is also audible or visual alarms and alerts when user-set conditions are met. You can even customize Dashlink 2 with different themed colors and share or post certain results to Facebook for bragging rights right through the Autometer app. Dashlink 2 gives you the ability to see your gauges right on your smartphone or tablet. You can display pre-designed Autometer instruments or even personalize your own by changing the dial colors to match your style or vehicle's look. And it's all done right in the app. Autometer designed the hardware and the software together, resulting in a better, faster, and more reliable product. Dashlink 2 also allows for you to scan, identify, and clear trouble codes. Dashlink 2 works on most gas or diesel vehicles with an OBD2 or EOBD port, meaning pretty much any vehicle released since 1996. The Dashlink 2 from Autometer has a 12-month limited warranty.